Hi, everybody. This is C. I'm Jeremy's wife. Welcome back to day 2 of the Custom Keto Review. I've logged into the website and I'm happy to report that I'm down 2 pounds. So, yesterday I was 213. Today I am 211. So, I'm really excited about the results so far. Now, the system suggests that you weigh in weekly as you go down in weight, and then you can update that right here by clicking on the pencil. I'm probably going to be weighing in every couple of days, every few days. Eventually, I'll be weighing in weekly. But as I do, I'll report my results and keep you guys updated on that. And as you calculate your weight, it recalculates the program to make sure you're getting the right calories and the macronutrients and the ratio here of the right proteins, fats, and carbs. So that's very important. So again, the system suggests weekly weigh in, and then you update your weight here, and that'll help recalculate the plan to make sure you're getting the right calories and nutrients that you need. And then again, of course, it's very important to always consult your physician, before you start anything new. And another important note, everybody's results will be different. So even though I dropped 2 pounds, everybody's going to be different. So kind of keep all of that in mind. All right, so with that, we'll kind of get into, this is still week 1 and this is day 2. So you get a lot of variety of awesome meals here. If you don't like what you see, you can always click swap this recipe and get other choices, and there's all kinds of different cool choices here on this website, so kind of keep that in mind. And I'll take you to what I decided to eat next. Okay, so for breakfast we chose to have the bacon omelet. This is a picture of what it looks like on the website, and this is our version over here. Very tasty, very filling. For lunch, we had the bacon salad with ranch dressing. So again, on the left is how it appears on the website, and this is our best attempt at it. We're trying to be gourmet chefs, but nowhere near close. But the most important thing is it was very filling and good. It was a nice salad. For dinner, this is one of our favorite meals. This is the salmon and tomatoes with broccoli. This is what it looks like on the website. This is our version of it. But just something about the combination of flavors. It just really tastes really good. So we were like, let's have that again. And then same thing with the keto cauliflower and cheese meal here. So this is what it looks like on the website. This is our best attempt at it. But believe it or not, it was good. And overall, all the meals were very filling. I didn't feel the need to crave for anything else. And I'm very excited that I started yesterday and I've lost 2 pounds. So that's the end of my review. Again, overall, the meals were delicious, very filling. So I'll continue to keep you guys posted on my progress as I do the weigh-ins and as I try, the delicious meals on this site. If you find value in this video, please subscribe to the channel so you can stay in touch with our journey on this custom keto diet. And if you want to know more about the custom keto diet, please click the link below. And thank you guys very much and hope to see you tomorrow.